Driving a manual transmission is often seen as the pure driving experience. More control, more engagement, more connection with the car. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most manual drivers are slowly destroying their transmissions without even realizing it. Clutches don't fail randomly. Gearboxes often don't just wear out. In most cases, they're killed by habits that seem harmless. Habits many drivers repeat every single day. In this video, we're breaking down 8 extremely common mistakes that silently destroy manual transmissions, shorten clutch life, and lead to repair bills that can easily hit 4 figures. If you drive a manual, this is one video you really shouldn't skip. Resting your foot on the clutch. Let's start with one of the most common and most expensive to habits. Resting your foot on the clutch pedal. Your clutch is not a footrest. Even the lightest pressure partially engages the clutch mechanism. That tiny pressure causes the clutch disc to slip against the flywheel, generating heat and accelerating wear. At the same time, the clutch release bearing stays under constant load, even though it's designed for brief contact only. Over time, this leads to whining noises, vibration, and eventually clutch failure. If you ever smell the burning odor after driving in traffic, that's friction material overheating. A clear sign your clutch is being abused. Rule: clutch pedal in or fully out. Nothing in between. Stopping on a hill and balancing the car using the clutch's bite point feels smooth, but it's brutal for the drivetrain. You do this, the clutch disc and pressure plate are spinning at different speeds while being forced together. That creates intense heat in seconds. Do it often enough, and you'll glaze or burn the clutch disc completely. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy a clutch, especially in city driving or heavy traffic. Use the handbrake or rely on hill hold assist if your car has it. The clutch should only be used to move the car, not to hold it in place. Riding the clutch at traffic lights, sitting at a red light with first gear engaged and the clutch fully pressed might seem harmless, but it causes unnecessary wear. Keeping the clutch disengaged puts constant load on the release bearing and diaphragm spring. Over time, this accelerates bearing wear and increases the risk of failure. Manual clutches are designed for quick engagement and disengagement, not extended use. At longer stops, shift into neutral and release the clutch. Your transmission and your left leg will thank you. This one damages more than just the transmission. If you're in a high gear at low RPM and you suddenly floor the accelerator, you're lugging the engine. That sends heavy shock loads through the clutch, gearbox, drive shaft, and mounts. Instead of accelerating smoothly, the drivetrain is forced to work against gearing that isn't designed for it. This increases stress on synchronizers, gears, and bearings. If you need power, downshift first, then accelerate. A brief increase in RPM is far healthier than forcing the engine to pull from too low. That grinding noise when shifting isn't just embarrassing, it's metal-on-metal contact. Gear grinding happens when the clutch isn't fully disengaged or when engine and transmission speeds aren't match heat. This damages the synchronizers, which are responsible for smoothing gear changes. Occasional mistakes happen, especially with new drivers. But frequent grinding will eventually make gears hard to engage, or impossible. If shifts feel notchy or resistant, don't force them. Fix the habit before the gearbox fixes you with a rebuild. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. This one surprises a lot of drivers. Resting your hand on the gear lever applies constant pressure to the shift forks inside the transmission. Over time, that pressure causes premature wear to internal components that were never designed to carry load continuously. It might feel comfortable, but inside the gearbox, it's slowly causing alignment issues and sloppy shifts. Both hands belong on the wheel unless you're actively changing gears. Coasting in neutral while driving. Some drivers think coasting in neutral saves fuel. On modern cars, it doesn't. Most fuel-injected engines completely cut fuel when you're off-throttle in gear. In neutral, the engine must idle, which actually uses fuel. More importantly, Coasting in neutral reduces engine braking, limits control during emergencies, and can reduce lubrication efficiency inside the drivetrain. Staying in gear gives you better control, better lubrication, and better safety. Aggressive shifting and poor rev matching. Slamming gears, rushing shifts, or skipping rev matching when downshifting sends shock loads through the entire drivetrain. Every rough shift stresses the clutch disc, transmission mounts, CV joints, and differential. Over time, this leads to vibration, noise, and premature component failure. Smooth inputs matter. Even spirited driving should be controlled, not violent. Mechanical sympathy goes a long way in a manual car. Manual transmissions are incredibly durable if they're driven correctly. Most clutch and gearbox failures aren't design flaws. They're the result of daily habits drivers don't even think about. Fix these 8 mistakes, and your manual transmission can last hundreds of thousands of miles. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more real-world car knowledge, and let me know in the comments. Which of these habits surprised you the most? See you in the next one.